Zell am See, famous skiing resort in Austria. But besides that, you can enjoy different active sports like hiking, mountain biking, golf, rafting, paragliding, and many more, all year long. It is located to the south from Salzburg and takes circa 2.5 hours from Munich to get there. I love this place. Lakes, mountains, fresh air, breathtaking views, waterfalls, gorgeous, relaxing atmosphere, and a huge variety of things you can do there. Let's start in this video with the city itself and a nice boat trip around Zell am See. There are a bit more than 10,000 people living in the city. It is super cute. It will take you around half an hour to walk around, but I return there and walk again and again. To have a lunch, I always come to Crazy Daisy and you'll definitely find something tasty to eat. By the way, Monday to Friday they have special menu with really good prices for lunch. If you want to have fun with water activities, there are 3 public beaches around. Entrance fee is approximately 9 euros for adults and 5 euros for children. There are different varieties of hotels in the region, so you'll find what fits you well. Many of them offer their guests a Zell am See summer card that provide you with free entrance or discounts to many attractions, including cable car. It is really great if your hotel has one. This place sometimes is also chosen for the Ironman triathlon. It is surrounded by mountains and the highest peak there is Kitzsteinhorn, that is more than 3,000 meters high. We'll come to that in the next videos. Porsche family really loves this place as well. They have an estate in this area for more than 80 years already, and it is used now as a retreat place for the family. Any day you can see lots of Porsche on the roads there, but there are also international Porsche days that take place in Zell am See, and lots of fans and auto clubs travel to the region to celebrate the passion for sports cars that are made by Porsche. Or you can just rent a boat. All the prices and details you can see on the screen. If you want to know more about beautiful attractions there, put like to this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you there. Last time I also went to the boat trip around the lake. It takes you around 50 minutes and as I said before, it was part of the summer card and it was completely for free. Otherwise, the price is from 8 to 17 euros depending on the trip. In the next minutes, let's enjoy together these wonderful views. How do you like that? Tell me about your emotions in the comments.